Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change DPI on Windows 11. So let's get straight into it. Now first what we are going to do, open up our settings on our computer, just like that. Okay, now what you need to do is get here to the system and then display, just like that. And scroll down a little bit, and under scale and layout you will see here scale. Change the size of text, apps and other items. So right here I have 150% is recommended, but I can change this. So adjust, basically you can adjust this based on your size of screen on your computer. And yeah, this is pretty much what you need to do. You just need to select here one of them, and this is basically it. So let's say 125, and you will need then to confirm it. All right, so this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.